Meaning of demon.
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 Demon. The word demon has multiple meanings and interpretations. Depending on the context, it can refer to a malevolent spirit or supernatural entity, a person with evil intentions, or an inner psychological force that drives us towards destructive behavior. In popular culture, demons are often depicted as evil, powerful beings that challenge the forces of good. They are known to possess humans, cause harm, and spread chaos. Overall, the term demon carries a negative connotation and is associated with evil, darkness, and danger.